Guatemala. Do they have Chevys down there?
Maybe. I've been out there for a while.
Listen, I want to welcome all of you to our studio.
Thank you.
And I just ask that you respect it, take care of it, and so we can keep this thing going on. But good to meet you guys. Good luck. And your name?
My name is Mongo Santino, sir.
Mongo, I see you videotaping me, so we're going to have to do this YouTube shit, right? Huh?
Yeah, tell these guys, respect this place like it's yours, you always want to come back.
You know, my father was fortunate enough and kind enough to build this place with our family in 1985, and just enjoy having you guys. Believe it or not, yesterday I had a full-blown talk show set there. I mean, huge. You know, turn it around in 20 hours, and then tomorrow another one comes. So good luck tonight, gentlemen. Thanks for your appreciation, and good meeting y'all.
All right, brother.
And we'll talk from there.
Thank you very much.
I'll be on set. Right on. Right on. Good luck, man. Take care.